Hi, it's Ray from financebureau.com.au, and I'm out here in this wonderful new suburb of Willowdale in southwest Sydney. Looking at all these new houses being built reminds me that I'm often asked by first home buyers and those upgrading about how difficult it is to build a new home. Well, I recently had a discussion with Marty at BM, and here's an extract from that conversation. We provide a lot of construction loans for young couples and people upsizing and upgrading their home. In a lot of ways it's exactly the same as taking out a home loan, except that your home isn't built yet. If you buy a block of land, the stamp duty, the transfer stamp duty is obviously a lot cheaper as well, because you only pay stamp duty on the purchase price of the land. Whereas if you buy a house that's already completed, you're paying stamp duty on the cost of the land as well as the house. So when you buy a block of land, you pay stamp duty on that block of land, and you start paying interest on that to the lender. But at the same time, your builder comes along and starts laying down the slab and the walls and the roof and the internal fit out. And as the loan increases as each of those milestones are passed. So once the slab goes down, you start paying on that because the lender will pay the builder for the slab. The brickwork is done, or the walls go up, the builder wants to be paid for that, and so the lender will pay for that. But you only pay interest on that part of the loan that's actually paid to the builder. As time goes by, after 3 months or so, the whole house is completed, the builder's been paid totally what he wants, and you move into your new house. It's a very simple process. There are lenders who will allow owner builders, but because of the risks involved as far as the quality of the work, lenders will restrict the amount they'll lend to owner builders to around 50% of the total cost. That's the house and the land component. As long as there's a contract between the homeowner and the builder, which is an acceptable contract, and that's generally the Housing Industry Association or the Department of Fair Trading contract. If that's supplied by the builder and it has specifically created to protect home buyers, that's generally accepted by all lenders. And of course, if the lender also requires the builder to have certain insurances in place, and that's part of our role as well, to obtain confirmation that he's got builders all risk insurance, for example, and not so much workers' compensation, but public liability in case there's an accident. And that's my role to get those things from the builder, so it's nice and smooth. So if you're thinking of building your own home, or looking at refinancing, or for any other finance matter, give me a call on 1300 95 60 50. I'm here to help.